on, Freddy. What? Freddy? Oh, he's probably watching TV. Eating waffles. Yeah, definitely. Freddy! Freddy! Oh, this is strange. Is this Freddy's favorite couch? Freddy! I can't be playing Fortnite. Freddy! You know what? Pops. He knows. He's the no, I'm the genius of that house. But, he knows his house good. So, yes, he knows.
I love watching my favorite show and eating my favorite snack, goldfish.
Pops, I can't find Freddy. Do you know where he is?
What the hell do you want, boy?
No, I can't find Freddy. Do you know where he is? He's on his
No, I don't know where he is.
He's on his favorite couch.
Well, I don't know. Where could he be? I mean, I can see he's not there. His couch is right across from my couch.
Do you...
He's probably eating breakfast. It's morning, fool.
I'm not a fool. I got hundreds on my test.
Yeah. You're book smart, but you're not street smart, clearly. Let me watch my show and eat my goldfish.
Okay, I'm gonna go find Freddy. Oh, there you are, Freddy. I was looking for you.
And?
How long have you been down here?
I've been down here for an hour eating this stuff.
What are you eating?
What do you think I'm eating? Captain Crunch, berries, the best cereal on earth.
Oh,
it's delicious.
Please?
Let me tell you a secret. Right here. No.
Oh, damn! What the hell is wrong? You know what, Freddy?
No, you're not.
Scream!
Okay, go upstairs, forever. I'm trying to eat my. You go. Oh, you play Fortnite.
Stop, Freddy.
Stop. Get a spoonful of that. Oh, yeah.
I gotta get this kill. Come on. Oh, God. No. Come on. Dang. I wish attacks were back. I wish I was as good as Freddy. Speaking of Freddy, where is he? I'm gonna go check out him. Wait. Yeah, back to lobby. Good.
Oh, that was a good bowl.
Hey, Freddy, you ready to play Fortnite?
No, Fred, I just ate that whole bowl of Captain Crunch, and I think it's time for another.
How much bowls have you had, Freddy?
Like 4 or 5. Maybe on a good day, 6.
Freddy, it's bad for you, Freddy. It's bad.
No, it's not. It has berries.
All sugar and all sugar. Freddy!
All sugar and sugar. It can't be made of 2 sugars.
Look, all of it's made of sugar. Look. You see that?
That's all berries. That's peanut butter. And that's... I don't know what that is. What the hell are the yellow things? Whatever, Fred.
Freddy, but it's still bad for you. Those aren't real berries, Freddy.
Then what are they?
Oh, you're an idiot, Freddy. All right. See, are berries crunchy?
When they're turned into Captain Crunch, yes.
It just says berries. And it actually tastes like berries.
Are you This on it says nothing. This on it says... Oh, wait, I'm helping you. Oh, okay, so, you know what?
Idiot. See this, Freddy? This.
I'm gonna have another ball. I don't care what you say.
Fat! You're gonna get fat, Freddy!
What are you gonna do? Tell Pops?
No, because you ain't gonna catch me when you're fat.
I can't pick the box up.
You want me to help?
that supposed to mean? Get out of here, Fred.
You know what? I'm gonna go back to playing Fortnite. You're gonna get fat, Freddy. You're gonna get fat.
Shut
I'm
up!
telling you.
Promise you can't.
Freddy.
I love this show.
Pops. Freddy's
What?
eating too much Captain Crunch. Can you tell him to stop?
What am I, his father?
Yeah.
Damn it, I really am. What do I tell him? What do I tell him? Oh, how about this? If Freddy gets fat, you, whenever he's mean to you, you can roll him down the stairs. Sorry.
Yeah,
You can roll him down the stairs like a big fat bowling ball. Convincing enough?
a little, but here's the thing, Pops. When Freddy gets fat, he's gonna get diabetes. He's gonna want me to get him stuff. Oh, that's my phone.
Answer that.
It's just a car salesman.
I hate when they call our actual phones. We already have to see your stupid ads.
Back to
Russo.
the conversation.
What?
So, Freddy's gonna get fat, Dad. Pops, I meant. Whatever.
No, you could call me that.
Or Dad.
At least you're not calling me Mom.
Where is Mom? Did she go on
Are
vacation?
you stupid or something? Your mom's dead.
Oh, yeah.
My God. So stupid. Oh, great. Now I have to hear this.
But still, Freddy's gonna get fat, and then kids are gonna bully him. It's gonna make me...
Then he'll just eat the bullies. You put some salt and sugar on him. Terrible combination, but I don't know why fat kids eat that. Put some salt and sugar on it, and then he'll go, nom, 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 munchies.
Pops, that was just funny, but still, he'll still get fat. He can't move. And he's gonna sit in bed and be a fat-ass gamer. I can be oh my gosh. Freddy, give me some food. Oh, I gotta play games. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you, Pops, he's gonna be a fat gamer. And that's what he's gonna sound like. Give me some food, Poppy. Give me some food, Freddy.
Are you done yet?
Freddy, you're gonna get fat.
Shut up!
Fat gamer.
He can't game if all he does is eat that soup. Once he runs out of cereal, I just won't buy it anymore.
Alright, good.
Jesus.
He won't move off my chair. He's getting fat.
That's my chair. All these chairs are mine. I paid $75.50 for these chairs.
Freddy, are you done with that bowl now? Can we play Fortnite?
I ate the whole box.
You ate the whole box, Freddy. You're gonna get fat. Look.
I'm not fat yet. It doesn't immediately happen. It freaking takes a while for your belly to
Freddy, you need to get some exercise. You need to exercise.
Exercise is for fat kids. Oh,
you are a fat kid.
Oh.
What was that? You're fat, Freddy.
I need to poop.
Oh, God, no.
I need to poop.
No.
I need to poop. Ah! Gotta go. Let me.
You're fat. I'm telling you.
Shut up! Ah! I need to poop. Alright, I think I'm done there. Jeez. Okay, how about no more Captain Crunch? Should I wash my hands? Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands. Done. Done my hands. Woo! That was a good turn. I think it's time to play some Fortnite. Woo!
Don't eat another box, Freddy. You're gonna get fatter.
Shut up, Fred!
What?
finally some peace and quiet. I'm sad without my goldfish, but I have them all in my tummy. I'm going to bed. Tonight has been a stressful day. Maybe I'll eat the other box of Captain Crunch. Other box? Dear God. Ah!